Dallmeier cameras are generally shipped being pre-configured for outdoor use. That means only if you want to use the camera indoors, you have to make a minor change in the camera's configuration. I now use P-Service. Go to Web Configuration and connect to my camera via the network. In the top left, I choose the button Config and enter the password 3 here in the center. On the left side, the camera menu opens. Here I choose the area Video and then go to Sensor. On the right side, you see the menu with Preset. The preset is currently set for outdoor use. I will now change that from outdoor to indoor for indoor use. Backlight only remains on if there is a strong source of illumination indoors, opposite the camera. We have no such illumination, so I can switch off backlight. That's it. I now confirm with OK and leave the camera menu with Log Out. The network is all set. The cameras are configured. Now we have to activate the cameras for recording at the recorder. To do so, I use the P-Service software and choose the recorder. Here, I right-click and choose NetConfig 2. A dialog box opens. In the dialog box, I enter the password 3 in the bottom line. I will now be connected to the recorder. The recorder menu appears. Here I choose Recording and then go to the cameras and tracks. I now see the menu for recording settings. I start from the top. I go to the first empty field. Right-click. Here I select the Dallmeier HD IP cameras and confirm with OK. Another dialog box opens. I now go to Login. Now I enter the IP address of each camera. In this case, it is the 192.168.2.28. I confirm with OK. 2 lines below the IP address, I enter the password of the camera. In this case, it is 3. Then I confirm with OK. I use the button Test to make sure everything works. I click on the button and now get the confirmation. Camera test successful. Perfect. I close the dialog box with OK. Choose the next camera and do the same as with the first camera. We choose the camera, enter the IP address in the login 192.168.2.29. Then the password 3. We test again. Everything works. And we confirm. I then do the same with each other camera. I simply enter the IP address of the relevant camera in the required field. Now, all cameras are activated for recording at the recorder.